What's up, guys? It's your boy Lucas. And then this is my background. I don't have a green screen. And today we're going to be unboxing my magazine. Remember my last video for my model combat machine called 7.8 MN Water Bullet Gel Blaster. I didn't upgrade it yet, but I upgraded the magazine. I buy it because the other one was broken. Here. It's sorry because I cannot do that. I cannot do it. It's called the 1820 ARPQ. It's Chinese. 600. I'm sorry, it's baliktad. Let's open it. My daddy buy it. Oh my god. There's no instructions. There's no instructions. There's no. You can get a look first, guys. Ooh, a box. I'm sure. It's the magazine. I wonder why you can read it there. But you search this and send it to me. What's the title? And then I don't know where to open. That's why. There's no turn on space. Not here, not here. I don't know here, but what about here? Here's the tool. There is like this going. And here's the top. Here's the background. It has a eagle. Let's try to fit it in. Guys, let's try to fit it in. This is gonna be the thickness. Oh yeah, boys! I need to charge it, sorry. Oh my god! Brr, brr, patapim! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look! It literally has the nicest thing! Look! And then boom. I'm gonna get a flashlight. Wait. That's just my baby. Here's Okay, Lola Unad! Lola Unad, come here!
Lola Unad at Biblia is so bad.
Lola Unad!
Coco, you eat banana, Coco. The banana is is sweet.
Yes, I will.
Coco, look for that ESD first.
Late. I saw it not here.
Coco.
Okay, I'll get that. I cannot find it, Mama Ming. Mama Ming, I cannot find it. Even Momo. There's nothing. There's nothing. I'm not joking. Okay. So thank you for watching. Peace.